What is the relationship between perpendicular lines and their equations? Imagine two lines crossing each other at exactly a right angle. Have you ever wondered what makes those lines special in math? Well, it all comes down to their slopes and how they relate to each other. When lines are perpendicular, their slopes have a unique connection. If one line has a slope of a certain number, the line crossing it at a right angle will have a slope that is the negative reciprocal of that number. Let's break that down. The slope tells us how steep a line is. For two lines to be perpendicular, if one has a slope of 2, the other must have a slope of -1/2. This is because when you multiply these two slopes, the result is -1. So, two lines are perpendicular if their slopes multiply to give -1. For example, if one line's slope is 3, the perpendicular line will have a slope of -1/3. Now, what about lines that are horizontal or vertical? Horizontal lines go straight across, so their slope is 0. The line perpendicular to a horizontal line is vertical, which has an undefined slope because it goes straight up and down. Conversely, a vertical line's slope is undefined, and its perpendicular is horizontal with a slope of 0. When you write the equation of a line, the slope is a key part. To find the equation of a line perpendicular to a given line, you first look at the original line's slope. Then, you find its negative reciprocal. Once you have that new slope, you can use it along with a point on the line to write the equation. You can use either the slope-intercept form, which is y equals m times x plus b, or the point-slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. For example, if the original line is y equals to x plus 4, its slope is 2. The slope of the perpendicular line will be -1/2. If you know a point on that line, say at 0, 3, you can plug it into the point-slope form. The equation becomes y minus 3 equals -1/2 times x minus 0. Simplifying, you get y minus 3 equals -1/2 x. Adding 3 to both sides gives y equals -1/2 x plus 3. This relationship between slopes makes it easy to find equations of lines that cross at right angles. It's a fundamental idea in algebra and graphing because it helps you understand how lines relate to each other in space. Whether you're working on geometry problems or plotting graphs, knowing that perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals is a powerful tool. Remember, the y-intercept can change, but the key is always the slope relationship. When you see two lines with slopes that multiply to -1, you know they are perpendicular.